We are looking at what is the meaning of YN, especially in texting and on social media. What does YN stand for in a message, for example, in a tweet? It stands for often your name, especially in fan fiction or K-pop culture. It tells readers where to insert their name. YN, your name. YN is also an emoji. This emoji, the fingers crossed emoji, which can either mean that we're very tight together, we're friends and we're together in this situation, or good luck, wish you the best, fingers crossed emoji. YN, especially if there's a slash between the two, often stands for yes or no. You ask a question in a text or on social media, Y/N, meaning yes or no. Do you like my new song? Y/N, yes or no. It asks the readers to answer by yes or no. And here you got it. Here was the meaning of YN. And now you know. More videos here on how to learn more interesting stuff and how to pronounce confusing words. I'll see you there to learn more.